Namaste, I'm Amruta and welcome to Tummy to Heart. Today I'm sharing with you recipe of Indian comfort food, that is khichdi. As you travel in India, every state has their own recipe of khichdi. Today's recipe is from the state of Maharashtra, a Maharashtrian style khichdi with kokum sar. Kokum sar is a thin gravy, specially made to have with khichdi. So let's get started.
Ingredients for khichdi: half cup rice, 1/4 cup moong dal, 2 tablespoon ghee, 2 tablespoon desiccated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3 cups water. 2 green chilies chopped, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 60 grams onion chopped, half teaspoon ginger paste, 1/8 teaspoon hing or asafoetida, 6 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon cilantro or coriander leaves chopped. Making of khichdi.
For all those who are new to cooking, please remember, wash rice and dal twice with water before using it.
In a pan, pour ghee and heat it. After heating ghee, add mustard seeds and let it crackle. Next add hing or asafoetida. Now add cumin seeds. Stir for a few seconds. Next add chopped green chilies and saute till they become lightly crispy. Now add curry leaves and saute till they become crispy as well. Now we are going to add finely chopped onions. Saute onion till they become translucent. Next add ginger paste. Add garlic paste. Add turmeric powder. Stir and blend everything together. Next add rice. Add moong dal or yellow lentils. Saute rice and moong dal in tadka mix till it becomes dry and brittle. Next, add water. Stir the whole mix. Next, add salt. Add desiccated coconut. Add chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix everything together. Next, cover the pan and boil for 10 minutes on medium temperature. After boiling rice for 10 minutes, turn the temperature to low setting and cook for 10 more minutes. Later, turn off the heat and uncover the pan. Your Maharashtrian khichdi is ready. Ingredients for kokum sar: 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1½ tablespoon ghee, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 6 curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2½ cups water, 1½ tablespoon jaggery, half teaspoon salt, 15 grams preserved kokum.
For all those who are new to Indian cuisine, kokum is easily available at Indian stores. It is usually known as grandma's cure to acidity. It has lots of benefits, health as well as culinary. Mostly kokum is used in Maharashtrian, Konkan and Gujarat cuisine. Before using it, we are going to wash it lightly with water so that all the salt that is used to preserve it as well as any impurities that it may have will wash away.
Add ghee in a pan and heat it. Next add cumin seeds and saute them till they crackle. Next add curry leaves and saute till they become lightly crispy. Now add turmeric powder. Next add red chili powder. Add soaked kokum along with salt and jaggery.
Now add 2 cups of water. And boil it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, turn off the heat and serve it hot with khichdi and enjoy. So try out my recipe of Maharashtrian style khichdi with kokum saar and let me know if this was your tummy to heart moment. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more details visit my website, that is tummytoheart.com. So see you next time. Bye.